Introducing U.S. Pool Supplies Heavy-Duty 19-inch Swimming Pool Leaf Skimmer Rake. A heavy-duty daily use pool rake for fast, easy, and efficient cleanup of leaves and debris from your pool. The durable ABS plastic covered frame has a beveled leading edge that makes it easier to glide and maneuver along the pool's bottom, while providing extra scooping power for faster and easier pool cleaning. It features an easy clip handle. The handle comes with user-friendly easy clip buttons that prevent your fingers from getting pinched or jammed while attaching or detaching a telescopic pole. The 15-inch deep large volume netting bag, combined with the scoop design, allows it to collect more debris at a time. Includes a weighted tab at the bottom of the net to keep the net on the bottom when sweeping, and it makes easier to keep the leaves in the net. The net has a strong, lightweight aluminum alloy frame that won't bend, twist, or break under a load. The ultimate tool for maintaining pristine water surfaces effortlessly. Make a splash today with U.S. Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting U.S. Pool Supply. Hit that like button, and please consider subscribing to our channel.